How to see ping in Fortnite? For this you need to open up the Fortnite, click it, and click the profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the game UI settings. Under game UI you need to scroll down and search for net debug stat. Click it and make it on. After click apply and come back. Open the game, you can see the ping status is showing in the top side. For me it's 84. If you have a better internet connection, then you have a lower the ping. So this is how to see the ping status in Fortnite. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.